What's going on, guys? Uh, it's it's like lunchtime right now, and I'm still getting. Oh, whoa, you trying to slow down? Whoa, um, it's like 12, and I'm just trying to wake up. Oh yeah. Ah, no. Yeah. Well, yeah, I'm just trying to wake up. And yeah. And in today's video, we are playing Don't Press the Button. Yeah. Yeah. No. I'm trained. How did I die? What? Oh, soccer. Soccer. Sock? It's a socks core. No, guys. Get it over there. Yay, I scored a goal. Of what? Oh, no. Oh. Now that's a victory royale. Oh, flip span the button. Girl. Lady, can you move out of the way? Jeez. Sorry. What the results? What's no. Sorry. It was just surprised because oh, dodges, dodge the dodges. I can't talk. My doge. Ooh, noob's tongue. Let's go down there. Wait, no. Fine. Oh no. Please no. Oh, that was just. Disgust. That was just disgusting. Oh, flip. Hurry up! The button is on fire! Oh, flip. Thank God. Thank you, God. Oh, red platform. Oh, red platform. Oh, now we're in an obby. Oh, wait. Why I am it just kind of lagged. No, that was weird. That was crazy weird. Whatever. But my obby. Oh, flip. Yep, I don't like this one. I'm just jumping off because I don't like it. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Money. Away from the tornado. Look at all this money. Ah, no. Ah, I got sucked in. No. Who's dropping the money? I want all the money. Dropping all this money. Money. I want this money. The tornado thing again. How many times? Oh my gosh. Son of a biscuit. Oh. Son of a biscuit. Sorry. Oh no. Pop. Bombs. Bombs are everywhere. How though? Oh, cheeseburger. Oh, please no. Why? Oh, jeez. 1 coin. Oh, flip. Yep, I have not. I have not. I think I know. Somewhere over here. Flip. Before, but then found it. No, flip. Are you serious? Boo. Yeah. Yes. Sorry. I just like to do that. Sorry, my camera angle. Oh, flip. There's Baldy, yeah. And he's gonna come. Now that's a victory royale. Nice. Oh, new song. Yeah. No money. Go get the money. No, I will fall off. Perfect timing. Attack and go. Sorry. Let's flip and go. Banana. Banana. Nice. Of what? Yes, let's heck and go. I mean, flip and go. Someone I messed up on. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Alright, we are getting somewhere, I mean. Oh, I'm taking a big risk. Oh, thank God. Just don't pull for me. It's fine, dude. Ah! But thing explodes. But fire doesn't hurt me. I want to get exploded. Yay! I got exploded. I got exploded. Ah! Oh, I need to run to the edge and then run back. Run to. Oh, flip. I was so close. Why? What? Zoom. Oh. Real. Oh. Oh God. Oh God. Not that. Well, I'll flip. Attack and go. Flip and go. I am mad. Dude, I'm mad. Wait, I'ma just check my recording quick. Just quick. Oh, sorry. Well, okay. Still recording? Okay. No. Whoa, gosh. This flipping thing again? Okay, yeah. Guys, there might be a part 2 to this, okay? So I'm gonna probably end the video off here. So yeah. So goodbye.